Alrighty, hey guys, we have a southbound train coming UP or BNSF, so here we go. Southbound. If it's a Stockton turn, then it's heading towards Stockton. I know this train. UP OS 59 number 27, but that does not sound like 59 at all. So here we go. Might be another coal train possibility. I don't know. I just saw a coal train yesterday heading south with empties. I don't know if it was loaded or empty, but we'll see what this is. Looks like a grainer, maybe. Gates are going down. Nope, it's a freight. UP 73, 67, 73, 19, and 24, 17. So peace out. Let's try peace out.